Hi! Are you an artist just ready to get back into the art scene after years of working that 9-to-5 job? You know, the one that pays your bills and ultimately helps to keep the expenses of your art career afloat? You know, the job you truly want to do? Well, in this video, I'm going to share some of my experiences and also some methods I started using and have continued to use. I hope they work for you. Okay, so you've mastered the basics, continued your studies through high school, got accepted to a four-year college, stayed up half the night completing assignments and papers that were due in 3 days, graduated after pretty much being persuaded that you're guaranteed a career, and you're all set, right? Well, not quite. And if you're anything like myself, you've spent many years, hours, money, and even sacrificed sleep to make your dreams come true. So, you continue to go on multiple interviews. You're not qualified. And regardless of your talent and experiences, the corpse boot you out. But don't let this discourage you from doing what you're meant to do and born to do. First things first, learning and researching. I know, a lot of people may say, ugh, I've already done this. Why should I have to do it all over again? But it's very important to learn more techniques and ways to improve your craft. Study trends, as things are constantly changing. Learn new software. Study other successful artists around you. But be careful to try not and compare your work to others, as everyone brings their own stories and individuality to their work. You have something special too. You've done the research, and you're ready to move on, right? Wrong. It's important to keep learning and compare your methods to what others' methods are. Try browsing shops, social media profiles, even their marketing techniques. Marketing is another important aspect of selling art, and it has to be done effectively while captivating the right audience. Try vibrant backgrounds, colors, bold letters, strokes, even placement of objects in your picture. You'll eventually find what works for you. Not everyone is a Photoshop master, but don't let that get you down. It's okay, as there are many user-friendly apps such as Social Post, Social Media Postmaker, Text to Photo, and many others. There are also other apps that are available for smartphones, Mac, and Windows. Next, spend money to make money. When building any business, many business owners will say they had to invest in order to grow. This has always been true, especially in today's economy and society. Whenever possible, it's really important to sink at least a few dollars into social media promotions or Google if you don't currently have the funds. That's okay too, as there are many other ways and methods that you can use to help build your business. You don't need loads of money in order to be successful. Work with what you have. Put your talents and creativity to work. After all, you're an artist, right? Make your presence known, whether it be through Etsy or social media accounts. Just let them know that you exist. Show them what you can do, and the right audience will eventually come to you. If you're thinking about opening a shop, or if you currently have a shop, it's important to also know your statistics. Study them on a daily basis. Now, I'm not saying that you have to sit there with your cell phone and continue to look every 5 minutes, but at least twice a day. That way, you can start to learn and compare when your busiest and least busy hours are. You'll get to know your audience, what they're searching for, where they're coming from. It's also important to take professional photos of your art. Now, you don't have to be an expert for this. Just use some simple enhancements, such as brightness and contrast. And just make sure that they're sharp. They don't have to be fancy, but just make them look professional. Make notes of your trial and error. as well as things that work for you. This is important for the future as well. That way, you'll know what and what not to do. Try to enter art shows or look up local events that are happening around you. This could be craft fairs or festivals. The more that you get out there, the more people that will know you exist. Try to stay relevant and current. This includes even small videos on your social media accounts. People love to see process, how things are made, rather than just the finished product. You'll be surprised by how engaged your audience is. Lastly, try to stay positive through all of this and realize that this is a process of patience and consistency. You have to keep going and learning. You have to notice your trial and error, learn from it, and then find something new that works for you. It's not all said and done. Keep going, and it's gonna work. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was informative for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/leewayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_leeway or on my Twitter at leewayartisans.